Whew, I had to pause for a minute before I even went down here because I knew it was going to be a disaster. So, the basement is like a toss bin or something for everybody in this home who lives in this home. Why? I don't know. But the garage also, things get tossed in there, and every month I have to go clean the basement and clean the garage, and it's a total mess. Sometimes better than others. This is one of the times where it's really bad. Okay, so these are some toys and stuff that are probably going to go to Goodwill, where they are going to go to Goodwill. And the shoes, we're going to get rid of them, or if they're still like really nice, we'll take them to Goodwill. That is like sheets, covers, bathroom stuff like shower curtains and, you know, rugs and stuff like that. I'm going to clean that little thing off. We're going to clean the washers and dryers off. These clothes I'm going to wash at the house. I'm gonna fix that area up a little bit more, and it's still pretty like trash down here. I'm gonna clean up this area. Those are gonna go for sure. They've been down here for like, I think those mattresses have been down here for like what, maybe 2 years. And I don't know why they're still down here. And yeah, it's still a mess. These clothes are gonna go to the laundromat because it's too many. It's so many freaking clothes. So I'm gonna take that to the laundromat. Yeah, and that stuff, I don't know what that is. I gotta go through a lot of stuff and get rid of it. So that's all trash. Yeah, so this is as far as I've gotten. And yeah, which is, I feel like it's nowhere. I feel like we've gotten really nowhere. But stay tuned for the end result.
Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
So in this clip, I was just giving you guys some motivation, saying that if you have errands to run or things that come up during the day, don't give up on the project that you're working on in your home. Just go back home and finish where you left off. Don't give up. Even if you can't finish it all, just start off where you left off and keep going. Don't give up. Keep going. Okay?
Push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Push a P. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep a P. Private suite, privacy, jump push a P. Purple paint, pink, push a P. Push.
I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is more than a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an ever how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
So at this point, guys, it seemed to take forever. But I kept going. I stayed motivated. I kept cleaning and washing in between the cleaning. Also, while having flooring installed upstairs. So I had a couple of errands to run as well. So it took some time. I kept having to stop and everything like that. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for your girl because I kept going. I did not give up. It will be a part 2 to this video because it took me 4 days to complete
I
this
swear
project.
it's time to keep these feelings to myself.